I'm Molly Suberthorpe. Welcome to my channel, where I offer bite-sized tutorials and demonstrations in calligraphy and hand lettering, and upload a brand new video every Friday. This week I'm demonstrating my newest Procreate kit, the Watercolor Calligraphy Brush Pack. I did a long demonstration and tutorial for it last week, which I've linked below. Today, however, I'm presenting a quiet layout design, using a fun technique that I like to use when I just want to relax and draw. I'll start with the pencil brush that comes in the kit and draw a lot of wavy lines across my square canvas. This is totally freehand, and I'll be using them as baselines that I'll adhere to very roughly, more like baseline suggestions than a hard and fast template. My composition will be 15 lines, so after drawing 15 waves, I'll select them all and center them roughly on my canvas. Reducing the opacity of those lines, I then make a new blank layer on top and select the colors for my watercolor calligraphy. I'll be using one of my watercolor ombre brushes, which means I want to select not one but two colors from my swatch palette. These colors will blend together as I write. Each brush in this pack has different paint characteristics, from opacity to pigmentation to edge bleed, and today I'm choosing the watercolor script brush number 10 in ombre because I want that color variation as I write. This is one of the many brushes in the pack that's great for delicate lettering and flourishes. So now I'll just write out my text along my freehand baselines, ignoring them where I see fit, but at least using them as a starting point. I'm connecting each word as I go to create the sensation of real waves. To make the most out of this ombre effect, I'm lifting between every letter or every couple of letters. I explain this technique in depth in my brush pack tutorial, which again is linked below. Like I said, this is a quiet demonstration that I hope you find relaxing, so sit back and enjoy. following along with today's demonstration. I hope that you found it inspiring, and you let me know in the comments if it's a technique that you try. As always, tag me in your work on Instagram so that I can have a peek at what you're up to, and sign up for my newsletter so that you have access to my free lettering toolkit. You'll find a link to that below.